Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq belly. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey.
All right. Good morning. Friday, May 16th. Let's see what we get in the markets today. Do have news today. I got it wrong. It's at 10 o'clock, not 10:30. Fix that. See what our charts look like today. Oh, we getting some movement. What happened? That's crazy. All right, let's check out the daily. Still pushing, getting smaller candles, still pushing nicely. Hourly. Set up our supports and resistance. Like it. Go with that. Give us a few areas to look for. Look like we're getting some before the open excitement. What's that, 70-point candle? Guess that tells us what to expect through the day. 60 points. Fun. And market open. Friday. We need our... Getting my beach scene. There we go. Maybe I'll go to the beach this weekend. Take the kids, take the family. Why not, right? It's like 100 degrees here in Florida. Got the bears showing up, showing us they're here. There we are. I knew he was hiding somewhere. We pushed up 60, now we're down 90. Are they finally ready to take a break? I see the market wanting to pull back. At least 21,300. I mean, a house too, but testing VWAP, testing the 5-minute moving average. What the 5-minute looks like zoomed out. Oh man. Looks like the bot's trying to take a short trade. Alright, back to that in a minute. We have a bit of an uptrend going. Actually, the past few days, kind of uptrend channel. There's our bots. Bit iffy about that trade. Although it does look like we're still trying to push down. A lot of bearish momentum. The bulls are going to have to step up if they want to push us back up. Step in. Get it going. A little bit back and forth going on there. Don't want to try for too much today. It's Friday. Did have some good trades at the end of the day yesterday. So, also took some evening trades. Do get to start the day a little green. Still pushing down. We're getting bullish delta from the ES. Testing the Globex open. Okay. We can expect it to be a little bit choppy here. We got the VWAP, we got the Globex open, and we got the 5-minute moving average. Yeah, just kind of watching this chop around a little bit. Let's see it get out of this area. Like I said, anything around the Globex open is just going to be choppy. That's this bluish purple line over here on the small chart. I was playing around with some volume profile yesterday evening. The anchored profile, kind of interesting. Try it out a little bit. Just something to play around with. I'm trying to set up for the volume profile is going by the momentum line here. Drawing that in. Show us what we were getting from this momentum leg here. to the point of control, value area low, value area high. Something to try out, play around with. We're getting a sell signal, but we are still at the Globex open also. Looks like it wants to go. There we go. I was trying to program the volume profile yesterday using ChatGPT, but it was not working out. I think it would be interesting if it was just plotted by itself and turn it on and off, rather than having a bunch of drawings. I have to keep working on it. And like I said, going around the Globex open, just gonna keep chopping. Especially we got the Globex open, we got the 5-minute moving average, and we got the VWAP all at the same spot basically. And we have an inside day. Zoom in on that. We are inside yesterday's candle. Yesterday was a doji, and today is looking like a doji. Now hopefully future drawings won't show up on the higher time frames. Doesn't seem like a lot of volume, does it? Everybody sleeping? Bot did win the trade, so that's 2 trades for the bot so far today. I think my bot only took 1. Set up slightly different. You have news in 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 9.5 minutes. Keep an eye on that. I don't know how hard it's going to hit. I don't think it's anything major, but it is a red folder. Alright, I gotta take a break real quick. Might as well do it before the news. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, still kind of chopping around. News in 5 minutes. Okay, get back to my beach theme. Really could kind of go either way, huh? I mean, how about? It'd be nice to check out how the volume profile reacts on the hourly chart. Could have a buy signal. Let's see about the 2 minute. Could have a buy signal. preferably I'd like the momentum line to be bicolor. Three minutes till news. Five-minute kind of looks like it's ready to spike up. I think maybe the news could spike us up. There's consumer sentiment and inflation. I don't remember seeing that. Double check what our news is. University of Michigan sentiment. That might move the market. To figure out where I want to play around with the volume profile. I want to put on the candle breaking or as the momentum line starts. But to get to the program, it'll have to be there. Little under a minute to go. All right, news in 15 seconds. Anybody catch that large drop in delta on the NASDAQ chart right there before it actually dropped? I don't know if you'd have got in time, but kind of interesting. Trying to go back up. Did I ever say I don't like these sideways days? I think so far all we're planning for the weekend is go swimming somewhere. That's what I heard. That's the plan. Go swimming somewhere. Wife says we have no plans for the weekend. I said that's great. That'll be our plans. No plans. We've had plans in the past 5 or 6 weekends. I think at this point, even the kids just want a weekend of nothing. Video capture, what is that? You know, it might have been picking up an extra source of audio. I thought when I was watching yesterday, it seemed like the audio was off. What we got here? I have to look into that. Going back down, back into the chop. Sooner or later, we'll get a breakout one way or the other. And of course, back up. Going back down. We'll take a short. Falling asleep. Hate to take trades that don't really like because I'm falling asleep. What can we do? Let's try it. There we go. At least I can say I took a trade. What did I get? 5 points? My attempt at being a scalper. 5 points. That's nasty looking, isn't it? Back and forth. Alright, so our job as traders to figure it out. Figure it out and make it work. I was telling my kid I'm gonna get a sign and I'm gonna put it right above my desk. I'm gonna go right there on the wall. That's gonna say, if trading's too hard, you could always be a roofer. And anybody that's ever worked on a roof will know exactly what that means. Especially in Florida summer. Feel the back and forth. ES is looking more bullish. They're trying to. Not that one. There. feel like we need the song from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, where Willy Wonka's going through the tunnel on the boat, singing the song, which way are we going? No way to tell. I have to look it up.
Which direction we are going, there's no knowing where we're going. Yes, it's snowing. I suspect the block is showing, so they too must drop it. Are the fires of hell glowing? Is the grizzly reaper and they're certainly not.
Make it stop, Daddy!
Walker, has it gone far enough? White light, sir. Stop the boat.
Stop the boat. I feel like that's how we all feel. No one knows which way it's going. Man, if you're a back and forth scalper, that sure is a beautiful chart. It just ain't me. All right, we're gonna get the breakout, right? Push up, get out of here. What else we got? I don't think there's more news, but is there something else? We got 1050. Trump at some business roundtable. U.S. futures. S&P 500 on track for its best week this year. Let's check it out. Wouldn't this be the best week? I don't know. I think this one would have been the best. Fear and Greed Index is now being greedy. Trump, Republicans must unite behind the one big beautiful bill. Cut taxes. Inflation comes in at 4.6%. We are moving. Let's get back to our chart. First real movement we've gotten all day, isn't it? Now see if we can get some kind of a pullback. Push up, test the open range high, go from there. Give us some trade ideals we can work with. Got our delta pushing nicely. Gotta see if the bulls can hold it. Could be breaking a trend line on the ES. That'd be a bullish sign. Get above that. Y'all can't see it. Small chart, that one. Now I got ES over here. Nice trend line. Get above it. Hold support. Be a bullish sign. And we're coming back down. We'd like to see a signal here. If we get a push above, break this trend line, we'd have an inverse fair value gap on the 30 seconds. Push up from there. If the bulls want to come in, do have to pee real quick. Don't let it go without me. Gave you guys one job. I said, don't let it push without me. Trying to go, kind of hesitating though. Come down to this volume node on the volume profile. ES is trying to hold above that trend line, so that's good. Like we have some bullish signs. Delta pushing. And gonna try. Like it's still struggling. Struggling in it. That's a bearish candle on the 2-minute. Inverse hammer. Don't like that. I'm going to choke out the stop. Alright, What was that? Stopped out 8 points. 8.5. Okay. On to the next. Finally try to get a direction and it reverses on us. So 5-point winner, 8-point loss. What's that? Puts me down 3 for the day session. I'm actually still green. I did have some trades yesterday evening, but what else we can get? We'd like to get a good trade in. I think I haven't had a good trade on stream in a few days. Really, they pushed up, got the bulls trapped, and then right back down. Yeah. Now they get all the sellers and go right back up. Still doji inside of a doji candle on the daily chart. Inside the hourly candle also. If we do break the open range low, we'll also break the 1 hour candle. To break the high of the candle, we got to break the 21,504. Could look for a long off the support here. These types of trades just don't seem to be my best trades, though. So, I do think it's a good trade. I do think it's a good spot. Don't mean I'll take it. Could get a nice bearish candle printed on the 5 minute. There we go. All right, there's our nice bearish 5 minute candle. What would I like to see? Maybe continue to push down, pull back. I don't know. Guess that could have been the pullback to the open range low. Might have missed it. What I'll do is I'll put a entry, see if it wants to come to it. We are getting some choppy back and forth. Don't like that. Let me get out of that. We just had this big move down. What was that, 80 points? I don't know. So far, it's working out great. Trade worked out great. I'm in a trade. I didn't know I was in a trade. Always great to find out after you're in it. Not on the chart. Don't know how to get that chart pulled up. Wait. Maybe I go over here. No. Okay. Don't know that I'm liking that trade. I actually like almost kind of like a buy right here. I wish it was on this chart. Trading down to about 21,361. I don't know. Might cut that early. Yeah, take it there. Did it get to 61? It did get to 61. See, could have got 5 more points. Okay. Normally I don't need to worry about a chart for the bot trade because it shows up on the trading view as well. That one did not. So the bot took this one, this one, and this one. So that's 3 trades for the bot today. Losing to the bot again. At least that's a good thing, I guess. Could add a trade entry there also, kind of missed that one, focusing on the other one. We take a quick scalp. Delta pushing down. Do you think we're going to hit the 348? Bit risky. Try it. Oh, I got slippage. No, I didn't like the slippage. Alright. There we go, get out break even. I tried. Still think that's gonna go down there. That was a terrible entry. Alright, so we broke our hourly candle. Testing the support. Break that. Next, we'll be looking for the 21,303. And if we do break the 21,303, we have a lot of minor supports, but nothing really, no major supports like this after that. So we get down to the 21, I'd call it 200. Close enough to round to the 200. Nice movement though. Could use some more pullbacks. get one pullback the whole time, and I was preoccupied with another trade. Do have a nice hammer candle on the 2-minute chart. Also on the ES. See some buyers coming in. Says U.S. to set tariffs rate in weeks. On who? China? Guess they're still trying to come through with that China tariff deal. Trying to see where our hourly initial balance is. I guess it's the same as the open range. Same with the high. Take a bounce trade off of the initial balance. Do got support here. And then a lot of delta coming in. So if we do get back up into initial balance, then we go back to test the high, right? I think so. The initial balance was good for at least 10 points. We also had the point of control on this profile. Yep. Looks like that might have been about it, about 10 points. Momentum kind of slowed down, didn't it? We have a bullish candle on the 2-minute. We also have a bullish pattern on the 5-minute. About the 15. Guess that would be considered a bullish pattern. looking back, don't really see too many good signals on the day. Thought maybe I missed a few, but don't really see it. I mean, it's just been nastiness all day. Not the most exciting day. Kind of had a entry signal here, but like it was the right thing not taking that one. Took kind of a just jumped in trade there. I got 5 points. That signal here, it wasn't the best. Bit of a wick up there. Probably shouldn't have taken it. Took it. Lost 8. So down 3 on the morning session. The great signal here, of course, the only like great signal of the day, and I was busy micromanaging a trade that the bot got me into. Which probably should have left it alone and took my own trade. What you get from micromanaging. Tried to jump in late, chopped around a little bit, so I just got out. So, still green on the day, green across the board. Not a very exciting day. Was hoping for a bit more, but take what I can get. It is Friday. I think everybody's ready to start the weekend. Give it a few more minutes, see if we get something piques my interest. Still looking bullish. 5 minutes looking. Nice bullish pattern there. Pushing up, we are back into the open range and initial balance. So, could see that. This could be the low for the day. Come back into initial balance. Go up, test the high. I think that's what the market naturally wants to do. We can hold, build support inside initial balance. I think we want to push up, test the high. Unless it just rejects and pushes right back down here. That's possible as well. We're getting kind of back into this chop zone also. I do have the switch back over to this chart. Do have the Globex open right above us, as well as the VWAP. So while we are setting up a good long signal, might not be the best ideal. I think that's going to do it for me today. Like I said, took those 3 trades. Did take some trade yesterday in the evening time. Put me up green in the morning, started off green. So, plus the bot took 3 trades today. One didn't show up on this chart. It's right here somewhere. So, 3 wins for the bot. Kind of break even on the day session for me. Like I said, I started off green, otherwise I'd be break even. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Green across the board on a Friday. Puts me 3 days green this week. 2 break even. Monday was break even, and yesterday, I believe. Right, yeah. Monday was break even. Yesterday was break even. Tuesday was nice green. Wednesday was nice and green. Friday is going to be green across the board. So I'll take that and call it a week. Enjoy the weekend. Appreciate everybody hanging out. If you're green, don't give it back. It's Friday. If you're red, don't go on tilt. There's no reason stressing about it all weekend. Go out, enjoy your weekend. Have a good time. See everybody Monday. Appreciate you hanging out.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real.